What's up, guys? Big Clive 34 coming at you today from Hot Rod Drag Week, and today we're checking out an insanely clean Chevy that makes 2,500 horsepower. These guys are driving over 1,000 miles throughout Drag Week in a 2,500 horsepower beast. As is the story with most people's Drag Week when they make this much power, these guys are stumbling upon a couple of issues. I mean, pretty much everybody with these high horsepower cars that I've talked to have had to do some sort of repair or change somewhere along the way. It just so happens that when you're out here on the road, sometimes you got to do what you got to do. So they actually have a couple of parts off of a lawnmower from Tractor Supply on this beautiful machine. I truly commend the effort. It's so awesome that these guys are really getting the job done, doing what they have to do out here on Drag Week. It's all about that resourcefulness that makes this event so interesting. So we're going to go catch up with them, get a quick interview, and we're going to watch this car race. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. Please subscribe below, hit the bell icon to get notifications about more of these beautiful Drag Week machines. So without further ado, guys, let's go race it. Can we start by giving us the overview of the car, what you got going on with it?
Well, 540, ProCharged 540 from Steve Morris with a Rodler 210 Pro Mod Granny. We've had some broken pulleys, had that weld pulleys. We've broke all the hoses off. The alternator, one of the mandrel bolts come out and ripped the box system, the Jones pulley in half. So then we went to Tractor Supply and got pulleys there and got a lawnmower belt on it and AED carburetor replaced. They machined the other pulley for us, so that was awesome.
So as far as putting this thing on the street, what do you guys have to change to be able to drive from place to place, or is it pretty much as it sits that you drive?
We changed the shocks and then obviously drain the fuel and put pump gas back in it, and then just change the plugs, get on the Holly and change the tune back to the street tune. We got to change the blower belt again because every pass it breaks the blower belt.
How long have you had this car? How long have you been working on it to get it to where it is?
Oh, about 4 years. It was a yellow, it was a nitrous car before that.
Right.
It had a 468 in there, and then we changed it to a 496 right away with nitrous, and it was all yellow, so we called it the nuclear